guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you an electric blanket that you just need to place beneath your bed sheets during the time of winters, and they are really worth extremely warm and comfortable, plus they even reduce your electricity bill to a fraction. You won't need those heat pillars and heaters that actually increase your electricity meter. So yeah, let's begin. This is a single bed electric blanket that I purchased online. It's really soft, really thin, lightweight and handy. The wire provided with it is of enough size that you need to plug only directly. And there are different color options available for this. I chose this coffee brown color. So on the top side we get this coffee brown color, and on the bottom side we get this good white color. This is also really very soft. There are wires inside it, but you won't feel at all that there are actually wires inside it, and it's not washable actually because there are wires inside. The entire border of this blanket also have a very good stitch and a pretty yellow color lining that makes it really durable and also beautiful. So on all sides of its borders you'll find this thing, and the thickness is also just not much, so when you spread it on your bed you won't even feel that there is anything extra on your bed. This is a fur-like, extremely soft, smooth and cozy material. You won't even know that there are wires inside it. You can even easily roll it out to any shape very easily and just keep it anytime, anywhere. No wires you'll at all feel. Now this is the plug and the wire, that is we have to fit it in the electricity socket. So you just need to plug it up and it's ready to be heated. It's really very simple and safe as well. Here you get a charging port where you can adjust the temperature as per your need. So this will lie just beside your pillow. You can just easily take it to 0 and even turn it off, or you can change the temperature from 2 or to 1 as per the heating temperature as per your requirement, where 2 is for highest temperature and for high heat, and for 1 is for the warm and the lower heat. And if you go to 0 then it will just turn off your heater. So now quickly just I'll spread it on the bed and show it to you, its size, look and the functioning. Full length double bed electric blankets are also available, and this one is the single blanket. We prefer using only one single blanket for a double bed, just placing it for warming a foot and the lower half. So decide as per your choice. Try keeping this plug portion near to your pillow so that you can easily adjust the temperature comfortably even while you are lying down. The material of this blanket is really good, so super smooth and fluffy. So here you can see the complete look. It fits perfectly on one single mattress. You just need to slide it down a little below your pillow and see the size. This is how it will fit on your bed. Now over it you can place any bedsheet of your choice. So this is how we have to use it. Simply place it over your mattress and then spread your bedsheet over it as usual. Here I am using a woolen bedsheet for additional warmth and comfort during the winters. So yeah, just have a look. Nobody will even know that there is something placed beneath your bedsheet. It's really soft, very thin, no wire-like feeling at all. It's very comfortable as well. I really love it, and it takes at least half an hour to get warm properly. So just plug it, switch it on for half an hour before going to your bed, and it does wonders. Have a warm, cozy, comfortable sleep. No need to wear your socks and sweaters while you sleep. No need to shiver anymore after entering in your quilts or blankets. Have a comfortable sleep. Stay safe, stay home. Happy winters. Take care. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.